How to add music to Instagram. Instagram recently launched a new feature allowing you to add music to a post within the app, so let me show you how to do it. Let's open up Instagram and then you're going to hit the plus sign down the bottom. Then you're going to select one or multiple photos to add to your post and hit next in the top right hand corner. Now at the top of the screen here you'll see a music note, you can hit that and then you can open up any saved tracks by hitting saved, or you can scroll through For You, which is music that Instagram has suggested for your post. You can hit browse here to see music filtered by genre, or you can hit the search music bar up the top of the screen to find the track that you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the track. You can then select the length of time for your post by clicking on the 30, and you can choose how many seconds that you want your track to play on your post and click done. Then you can move the highlighted rectangle to the left or to the right to find the portion of the song that you want to use and then click done in the top right hand corner. Now if you wanted to, you can choose any of the filters that you see here and click next. Lastly, fill out the caption and hashtags and hit share. And that's it. That's how to easily add music to an Instagram post. To learn how to add music to an Instagram story or a reel, you can click here on screen. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.